guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be talking about this deep curly human hair from Lanqi Hair. This is a 300 density wig. The quality is amazing. I must say that it does shed a little bit. Let's jump right into the video and you'll see pretty much how I tweak this wig to my liking. Before we jump right into this video, I wanted to share my December dossier scents with you all. For those of you who are new to dossier, there are replica designer scents and very affordable, under $50, are very identical to the actual scents. Berry saffron, so that's the amber saffron. Is inspired by Mason Francis Cordesians Baccarat Rouge 540 Eau de Perfume. The next one is the Aquatic Peony. This is inspired by Giorgio Armani Acqua de Giola Eau de Perfume. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Let's go ahead, spray that in here. Ooh, let's jump right back into the hair video. is it for this video. You saw the process, and this is the finishing look, you guys. I was gonna go ahead and try to see how much I could lay some baby hairs, but I'm like, you know what, baby hair is just it's just not my thing. Guys, this is the slay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave information for the wig in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, and I'll have pictures posted on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, leave my link here or in the description. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.